Hoi An is absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. It's such a picturesque little city. All the walls are painted orange and the doors are painted bright colors, and there are lanterns and colored flags hanging everywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's hard not to just stop and take pictures all day long. What? You're a turtle?
Yeah, I'm a turtle.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Alright, today we are in Hoi An, Vietnam, which is a beautiful city all painted these muted warm yellows and old Chinese, Japanese, French architecture buildings. It's one of the most photographic cities in all of Southeast Asia, so we definitely have spent a large amount of time taking pictures and enjoying the scenery. But this morning we are headed to get some banh mi, which is a famous Vietnamese sandwich. This particular restaurant was made famous by Anthony Bourdain on No Reservations, so we're looking forward to checking that out. It's supposed to be the best banh mi in all of Vietnam. So we are at Banh Mi Phuong, I think it's how it's pronounced. It's supposed to be the most famous banh mi restaurant in all of Vietnam. It was made famous, well, originally because they have really good food, and then secondly because of Anthony Bourdain on No Reservations. I'm not entirely sure the influence of the banh mi. I think it's because of the French influence in Vietnam, which would explain the baguette. But we had a banh mi yesterday, and it was absolutely fantastic.
So it turns out that they have pancakes on the menu here, and the girls are thrilled because it is actually breakfast time. They don't really do anything different for breakfast here than just the same kind of lunch and dinner foods. So the girls are thrilled that they get to eat pancakes for breakfast this morning. It's been a while.
Chloe, she's kidnapping her. Ah. Chloe, smile. Chloe, big smile.
Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
Today is blistering hot. The heat index is 105, so we're doing our best to soak up every inch of shade, and really you can only have about 2 hours in the morning if you get up super early before it's just insanely hot. So we will spend a good amount of time just resting in the Airbnb until night comes back around. So what I love about Hoi An is all of these street vendors and different food options. She's making sugarcane juice. She's actually squeezing the juice out of the sugarcane and serving it up on the side of the road here. What do you think, Alexa? I think Chloe's going shopping. She wants to ask how much the fans are.
What did you say?
How much?
50,000. Hello? I have enough room in my backpack.
You have to negotiate. Do you know how to negotiate? She says it's 50, and you say, how about 40?
No, see the
Yeah. Here's the money.
The money for?
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, thank you.
So no deals were struck, paid full price, but that's okay, it was only about $2. So the heat index is 105, so we are making it about 2 blocks at a time before we have to stop for water or something else and to rest. There is no air conditioning here. It's pretty much everything is open air and just fans, and that's it.
Will that be fun?
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now, ooh, when you're gone.
So we've come back to the banh mi queen because honestly I think it's the best banh mi in all of Hoi An. We've been to the more famous one, but honestly the banh mi queen is a lot better. Last time I got the chicken, Heather got the vegetable, the girls got a fried egg sandwich, and it's absolutely delicious.
We'll go back outside and come out.
Chicken and vegetable. This is by far our favorite meal we've had here in Hoi An. It's a little family-owned place and it's absolutely delicious. The girls are loving it. They get just a little sandwich with egg on it and they love it. I love the egg with the vegetables. It's just absolutely delicious. And Bradey gets this like chicken sandwich and they're the best sandwiches we've ever had.
It also is only about 90 cents per sandwich. It's about 20,000 to 25,000 depending on what you're getting, which is roughly 90 cents to like $1.10. So I honestly would be happy eating that every single day of my life.
All right, so we just got some food and now we are going to head into the old town and walk around, explore a little bit, and maybe do some shopping.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just want you, I just need you. I know what it is you do.
Michael mustache like this now. I think a masterpiece. I like a big mess.